Okay guys, I am achieving a lifelong dream. No, it's not like the Willy Wonka factory visit with the candy wallpaper. That would be really cool, wouldn't it? But I'm getting braces. Oh my gosh. Hi everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kinda new here. We do that with two hands, don't we? Anyway, so what we're doing today is we are going to be using one of these because Pretty Broken Sammy, one of my good friends here on YouTube, she doesn't have a video. She doesn't have videos up yet, but she's a frequent commenter. She said, oh my god, Emily Noel did a thing where what would you buy if you had to buy 10 things to rebuild your makeup collection? Well guys, Sammy is the inspiration for this whole thing. We're doing a series, but I decided to take it a little further. What would I do in a makeup emergency? Holy crap, right? So I decided, like, you know, say you're traveling somewhere and for like, you gotta to visit family and you have to look presentable. Guys, what would I do? Well, I'd buy a whole lot of Ulta makeup, and the easiest way to do it is with one of these. Now, I will insert a picture there. Yeah, that looks, there. That looks better, doesn't it? But this has eyeshadow. It has a blush, two blushes, blushers, whatever you want to call it. It has bronzer and highlight, matte bronzer, gold highlight, what else? It had an eyeshadow primer, and it has two liquid lips that are metallic and two lip glosses. I just said, oh, and a face primer. So, you know, it's almost and a couple liners, one for lips and one for eyes, but I didn't use those. It does have brushes, a couple brushes, like three brushes, not six. Brushes involved, with it, and I decided, you know what, if I was in this emergency, what would I do? Well, guys, Ulta carries their own brand of makeup, and it's usually on sale, like buy two get one right now. So I went ahead and I got a foundation and a concealer and a powder and a mascara and a setting spray, and this setting spray has SPF in it. I figured, you know what guys, we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna do a full face with this, and what I will do is I put that, you know, below, and as the video goes, I'll put in a pop or a game. Basically, it's a picture of the product I'm using. That's what I mean. Oh, I totally know what I'm talking about. Ah! Oh, guys, so what do you think? Yay? Nay? Oh, by the way, everything I'm wearing today is Ulta brand, and it is from this, except for, no, that's everything. So, but if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me, what would you do in a makeup emergency? Oh my God. Okay, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.